Alright guys, welcome. This is the first episode of my Marvel Collector Core box openings. I've been collecting these for a very long time. I figured I might as well show them. So this is the May 2020 Black Widow box. I've not yet opened it, so let's go ahead and open it and see what's inside, shall we? Alright, so I love the boxes when they do give something to wear, which is a shirt. We'll get to the shirt last because that's probably going to be my favorite. We've got our good Red Guardian from the movie. So this box was obviously supposed to be coming out when the movie was coming out, and we all know why. So there's our Red Guardian sticker. Oops. We've got our Black Widow pops and our postcard to tell us what's in the box. X-Men in July. Very nice. Like always, our pin. Got a Taskmaster pin. Pretty sweet, huh? Then, two pops. I do love my pops. So we've got two of those. We've got a Black Widow. And we've got Alexa. We'll go ahead and look at Black Widow first. Those are the sets for the Black Widow movie collection, I believe. This one is $6.19, which is obviously not on this list, and she has the grapple hook. I'll go ahead and pop her out because I get two of these boxes. I get one to open in case I want to open it, and one to never open. And this is my open box, obviously. Background. There we go. So this is the way she looks. Wear a little covering on her. I'm not gonna take her all the way out. I don't want to take this covering off, but that's the way she looks. Nice grappling hook. Not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Very disappointed. Couldn't see this when it's supposed to come out, but oh well. Okay. Go ahead and put this guy. Next one, got our Red Guardian, out of outfit, obviously. I'm not going to pop this one out of the box. The difference between this one is obviously he doesn't have his Red Guardian uniform on, but he is holding, as you can see there, a Red Guardian little toy, action figure or something. Alright, last but not least, my favorite thing that always comes in the box is the t-shirt. Go ahead and pop this open. Go ahead and get rid of this box. I don't buy my clothes, so I'm glad to get these every 2 months. So there's what our May 2020 Marvel Collector Core shirt looks like. Black Widow. Looks like the logo could have been a little bit bigger, but I'll still rock it the same. I like it. I like it a lot. So there you go. So there is your Marvel Collector Core unboxing, if you will. You get the shirt this month. You get the pin. You get the sticker. I mean, they always throw stickers and pins in there, things that I typically, give to people. The shirts and the pops I always collect. So not bad. So let me know what you think in the comments. I will keep this series going every 2 months. I'll go ahead and unbox these, and we'll do other unboxings and things like this on the channel as well. Thank you for watching, and check this out soon. Please subscribe, hit that button.